Alright guys, welcome back to the next I think it's the fifth or sixth, but whatever. In this chapter, in this episode, we'll be talking about the concept of tags. Tags, the concept of tags. See, in HTML, every code that you write will be in a tag. Okay, it has to be in a tag because that's the principle. The principle states that every HTML code you write should be in a tag. And just so you know, tags vary. Okay, there are different types of tags, and then each tag has how it's written, but most of them are written in the same way. Okay, so there are some tags that will be written that will be writing here, which will be different from the other. Okay, that is how it is. That is how it is. So first off, the first tag we are going to talk of is the doctype HTML tag. Doctype HTML tag, and then to write a doctype HTML tag, you first have to write the less than sign. Okay, so the less than sign, and then an exclamation, then doctype, doctype, and then make sure to add HTML, and then a greater than sign to close the tag. That is it. You've written your first tag. So a doctype HTML tag. This should be the first tag in your HTML code. Okay, so previously we were using the HTML4 web specification, and now we're using the HTML5 what is this? Now we are using the HTML5 web specification, and then to allow the browser to differentiate between HTML4 and HTML5, we make sure that this tag is the first tag on our website. Okay, this doctype HTML tag here is the first tag on our website. And as I said earlier on, this tag tells the browser that the file is an HTML5 file, and then the browser needs to pass it in an HTML5 file. Sorry, in an HTML5 way. That is it. And then the second tag we are going to talk about is the HTML tag. So to write an HTML, writing this tag is different from how we wrote the doctype tag. So to write an HTML tag, first you start off with a less than sign, then type HTML, and then a greater than sign. Okay, a less than sign, HTML, and then a greater than sign. So to close this tag, a less than sign, a backslash, and then you type HTML, and then a greater than sign. See, how we wrote this tag is different from how we wrote the doctype HTML tag. And basically, this is the only tag that is written this way. Doctype tag is the only tag that is written this way. So most of the tags that you are going to write will be written this way. Okay, first a less than sign, and then the name of the tag, then a greater than sign. So to close the tag, a less than sign, and then backslash HTML. Okay, so the only difference between this opening tag and then this closing tag is the backslash. Please remember, do not forget the backslash. So a backslash, and then you type HTML. I'm using VS Code, so I get this automatic this autocomplete feature. Okay, and the reason why we write this HTML tag is that we need to write it so that every code we write should be inside an HTML tag. Yeah, that is it. Oh, no, listen, we write this tag so that we get a container to put all our HTML files in. Sorry, to put our HTML code in. So you can't just write doctype HTML and then start writing your code. No, it's not like C++ or C# or JavaScript that you just start writing. Okay, so you need to put your HTML files, sorry, your HTML code inside a container. That container should be the HTML container. Okay, so that is it. So to write an HTML tag, a less than HTML, then a greater than sign, and then to close up the tag, the only difference is that you should bring the backslash or the forward slash. I think the backslash, yeah, you should bring the backslash over here, then you should type the name of the tag. So that is it. So think of an HTML tag as an official sheet. Okay, an official sheet where you're writing an essay. So the official sheet will house the essay. It will house the recipient, the writer's address, and then the body, everything. Okay, so all these contents are housed by the HTML tag. And the next tag we're going to talk about is the head tag. The head tag. So to write a head tag, it's just like writing an HTML tag. The less than and a head, then a greater than sign. So to close off the head tag, you have to write a less than sign, and then a backslash, and you type the name of the tag that you just opened. That is a head tag. So that is it. So a doc type HTML tag first, and then an HTML tag to house our content, and then a head tag. So think of the head tag as where the writer's address and the recipient address will be. Okay, so we need to divide our website into sections. So think of the head tag as where the writer's address and then the recipient's address should be. See, you shouldn't put your head tag outside the HTML tag over here. No, it doesn't make sense. Okay, trust me, you have problems parsing it. You have problems, or the browser will have problems parsing it. And also when you are styling it, you have problems, a lot of problems. This is a bad practice. Okay, this is a bad practice. To start off with writing HTML, the first tag you need to write is the doc type HTML. Then the second tag is the HTML tag, which will house all the other content or all the other tags that you're supposed to write. Okay, so this is a head tag, and think of the head tag as where the writer's address would be and then the recipient's address will be. So let's move on to the next tag where we're going to learn it. Sorry, to the next tag we're going to learn, and that is the body tag. So to write a body tag, a less than sign, BODY, then the greater than sign, then to close off the body tag, a less than, and then a backslash, and then body. So that is it. So think of a body section as where the actual essay body will be, where the heading and then the content will be. So think of it as that way. So in web development, the title of our web page will be placed inside the head tag, and then the content where you see the body. For example, if you go to Netflix, where the movies, like the section where the movies are displayed are inside the body. Okay, and then where the name of the website, that is Netflix, is displayed are inside the head tag. Okay, so we've learned about the head tags, the body tag, the HTML tag, and then a doc type HTML tag. So a quick recap: we write this tag to let the browser understand, or to let the browser know that our file is an HTML5 file, so you should pass it an HTML5 way. And then this HTML tag here is a container which will house all our tags or all our content. Then this head tag here is a tag which will house all our head contents. For example, the title of the website will be placed inside the head tag, and then the body tag is where our content will be. Okay, the body tag is where our content will be. For example, when you go to Facebook, where the news feed is being displayed, okay, where your feed is being displayed is inside the body. It's inside the body tag. I hope that makes sense to you. This video is becoming lengthy, so I will pause it and then we will continue in the next series. So where was it? No. So see you guys in the next episode where we continue talking about tags. Okay, bye guys. And if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye guys.